subscribe.
Let's sing and learn, it's so much fun. M and O for everyone. We'll explore, we'll move, we'll shout hooray. Come along, let's rock today. M is for monkey, so playful and wild, swinging and dancing just like a child. Scratch your head, make a funny face, clap your hands and jump in place. N is for nightingale, listen so clear, tweet tweet songs are lovely to hear. Flap your wings and sing so sweet, dance to the rhythm, move your feet. O's for owl, hoot, 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 turn your head and look so cute. Flap your wings in the quiet night. P is for panda, soft and round, crunching bamboo with a munching sound. Roll, roll, tumble and play, let's be pandas all the way. Q is for quail, so small and fast, hiding in bushes as we run past. Tiptoe softly, don't make a sound, let's find the quail all around. R is for rabbit, jump, 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 wiggle your nose, thump, thump, thump. Let's hop together, 1, 2, 3, bouncing like rabbits, wild and free. QR, we sang today, learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl and dance some more, come back soon to learn some more. And N is for nightingale, listen so clear, tweet tweet songs of love.